On our next round we're going to increase to 24 stitches, and to do this we're going to single crochet 4 stitches and then we're going to do 2 single crochets into the following stitch, and we're going to do that 4 times. So single crochet 1, 2, 3, 4 and increase in the next stitch for 5 and 6, then single crochet 7, 8, 9 and 10, then we can increase in the next stitch for 11 and 12, then single crochet 13, 14, 15, 16 and increase in the next stitch for 17 and 18, and then single crochet 19 and 20, 21, 22 and increase in the next stitch for 23 and 24. For our next round we're just going to single crochet around as normal to 24 single crochets. We're now at another increase round and we're going to increase to 30 stitches, so we're going to single crochet 3 stitches and then do 2 single crochet in the following stitch 6 times. So single crochet 1, 2 and 3 and increase in the following stitch for 4 and 5, single crochet 6, 7 and 8 and increase in the next stitch for 9 and 10, single crochet 11 and 12, 13 and increase in the next stitch for 14 and 15, single crochet 16 and 17, 18 and increase in the next stitch for 19 and 20, and then single crochet 21, 22, 23 and increase in the next stitch for 24 and 25, and then single crochet 26, 27 and 28 and increase in the last stitch for 29 and 30. So we're now going to single crochet around 30 stitches one time, so one round of single crochet. I'm just finishing the last couple of single crochet from a previous round, and our next round is going to be another increase round. We're going to increase from 30 to 36 stitches, and we're going to do that by single crocheting 4 and then doing 2 single crochet in the following stitch, and we're going to do that 6 times. So single crochet 1, 2, 3 and 4 and increase in the next stitch for 5 and 6, and then single crochet 7 and 8, 9 and 10 and increase in the next stitch for 11 and 12, single crochet 13 and 14, 15 and 16 and increase in the next stitch for 17 and 18, and then single crochet 19 and 20, 21, 22 and increase in the next stitch for 23 and 24, then single crochet 25, 26, 27, 28 and increase in the next stitch for 29 and 30, and then single crochet 31, 32, 33, 34 and increase in the next stitch for 35 and 36. We're now going to do 4 rows of single crochet around, so we're going to single crochet 36 stitches 4 times. Now that we've finished our 4 rows of single crochet around, we're going to decrease to 30, and to do that we're going to single crochet 4 and then single crochet 2 together 6 times. So single crochet 1, 2, 3, 4 and decrease for 5, then single crochet 6 and 7, 8, 9 and decrease for 10, single crochet 11, and 12, 13, 14 and decrease for 15, single crochet 16, 17, 18, 19 and decrease for 20, then single crochet 21, 22, 23, 24 and decrease for 25, and then single crochet 26, 27, 28, 29 and decrease for 30. So we now have 30 stitches and we want to reduce to 24, and to do that we're going to single crochet 3 stitches then single crochet 2 together, and we're going to do that 6 times. So single crochet 1, 2, 3 and decrease for 4, single crochet 5, 6, 7 and decrease for 8, single crochet for 9, 10, 11 and decrease for 12, single crochet 13, 14, 15 and decrease for 16, then single crochet 17, 18, 19 and decrease for 20, then single crochet 21, 22, 23 and decrease for 24. On our next round we're going to decrease from 24 stitches to 18, and to do that we're going to single crochet 2 and then single crochet 2 together, and we're going to do that 6 times. So single crochet 1 and 2 and single crochet 2 together for 3, single crochet 4 and 5, decrease for 6, single crochet 7 and 8, decrease for 9, single crochet 10 and 11, decrease for 12, single crochet 13. I'm obviously confused about something here. I'm not too sure what it was though. Single crochet 13, 14, and decrease for 15. Single crochet 16 and 17 and decrease for 18. Now before we do our next decrease, I'm going to stuff Batman's chest because I want to stuff it before the hole at the top gets too small. Once I feel that it's firm and stuffed enough, I'm going to pop the loop back onto my hook and we're going to do another round of decreasing, and we're going to decrease to 12. And we're going to do that by single crocheting 1 and then single crocheting 2 together 6 times. So single crochet 1 and then single crochet 2 together for 2. Single crochet 3, decrease for 4, single crochet 5, decrease for 6, single crochet 7, decrease for 8, single crochet 9, decrease for 10, single crochet 11 and decrease for 12. So it's now time for our final decrease round from 12 stitches to 9, and to do that we're going to single crochet 2 and single crochet 2 together 3 times. So single crochet 1 and 2 and decrease for 3, single crochet 4 and 5, then decrease for 6, single crochet 7 and 8 and decrease for 9. So now we can slip stitch to join and we can fasten off and cut our yarn. Next we'll be making Batman's belt. So with yellow DK yarn and our 4mm hook, I'm going to do a slip knot onto my hook and I'm going to chain 23. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22 and 23. So I've got a 23 chain, and in the second chain from hook I'm going to do 1 single crochet, and then I'm going to do a single crochet in each of the chains along, so at the end we'll have 22 single crochets. And when I've completed my last single crochet of this row, I'm going to chain 1, turn my work, and I'm going to do a single crochet in each stitch all the way across again. So another 22 single crochets. once I've finished all the single crochets on my second row, I'm going to chain 1 and cut my yarn. And I'm going to leave a long tail because I'm going to use this to sew it onto Batman's waist. So I'm going to thread the tail onto my embroidery needle. Then I can bring Batman back in, and from the colour change from the top of his black short to the grey of his waist, I'm going to put the yellow belt. And I can sew the two ends together at the back. And to make sure the belt stays perfectly in place, I'm going to do a couple of stitches just throughout the body. And when I'm happy that it's perfectly in place, I'm going to weave in the yarn tails and cut them off.